Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing another new unboxing video. You see, I haven't been doing an unboxing video for days now. At least I did an unboxing video like a couple of days ago, but I'll just open this package and see what's inside. Okay guys, I just opened the package and inside of it was this brand new John Deere large square baler. It's a John Deere L340. This was from the new L300 series of large square balers, although there are only two models like the L330 and the L340, 3x3 or 3x4 bales. This must be a great baler for 2015 along with the other 2015 commercial hay tools. Okay, all the commercial hay tools are a new windrower, a new forage harvester, and two new large square balers. Yep, the W260, the 8600, the L330, and the L340. Okay, let's open this baler up and see what it does. Oh, sorry. Okay, here's a big square bale. Okay, there it is, the new John Deere L340 large square baler. Oh, this back is foldable. Okay, there's the new L340 baler. Like, you can lower this pickup. Wow, that's a cool fact. That's a cool feature. You're lowering the pickup and raising the pickup on the front of the baler. Like I said, it makes big square bales. Now I've got 5 round hay balers. I first got the 568. Second, I got the new 338 small square baler. But only now, I've got the new... And third and fourth, I got the new 569 and 560R round hay balers. But only now, I've got the new L340 large square baler. Oh, it's got 4 square bales. You can even fit them. You can make them fit on the back of the baler. And then it picks up the hay and it puts the bale out. It keeps going. This baler does not stop. It just keeps going to let the bales out. And nope. Huh, there we go. Oh, this box comes with a collector card. Okay, let's get this out of the box. Okay, there's the collector card. Here's the picture of the real L340 large square baler being pulled by the John Deere 8R series tractor. There's the baler with a John Deere 8R series tractor. I think this must be an 8270R pulling the L340 baler. Well, with the 8270R, so it's 270 horsepower. Yep, there's the 8R tractor set up on dual tires in the back with the new L340 large square baler. It's got row crop blinkers on the back. Oh, let's read what the card says. Here's some of the facts about the new L340 baler. It's got a 47-inch bale width, 26.25 foot baler length, 9 foot baler height, and 91-inch pickup width, 20,370 pounds baler weight. Huh, that's some it's just some brand new facts about the new L340 large square baler. Oh yeah, I want to show you how this baler is going to be connected to the tractors. Like this tractor, this 7270R, I've got this way back in November, I believe, yeah. Hey look, the tractor is pulling the new L340 baler, and it's letting the bales out, and here we go. Oh, look at that baler go. Yeah, this is a pretty cool baler. Oh yeah, I was going to... Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. That's so funny. You can even compare this to the other balers, like the new round hay balers. Oh yeah, like I've said before, John Deere makes a square hay baler. This is a new model made in 2015. The hay baler was an amazing implement. Imagine like there's like many parts for this baler, including a chamber where the hay is shaped into bales with square ends. Here's the hay bale with square ends, the rectangle-shaped bale with square ends, like tying the twine in a knot. A knotter which ties the twine into a knot. You can even compare these to the new 560R and 569 round hay balers. You can connect these to any tractor. Like this tractor, or this tractor. Alright, there's the new L340 baler. Wow, this is a pretty cool baler for 2015. But it's very, very, very different than new round hay balers. Okay, just wanted to show you this. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you this new John Deere L340 large square baler. Yep, the new L300 series of large square balers. Goodbye.